I'm going to walk you through the features that are in Tinkercad so you are familiar with the dashboard and how to use it. Type tinkercad.com into the URL address bar. Then, over in the top right-hand corner, click Sign In. We will use our Google credentials, so select Sign In with Google. Add your username with @education.nsw.gov.au. You'll see our normal single sign-on page. Just sign in with your normal credentials. Now your Tinkercad dashboard has loaded. I'm going to walk you through the features of Tinkercad. Across on the right-hand side, we have a gallery. Exploring other people's designs can be great for inspiration and understanding how other people have approached a design problem. Next, we have Tinkercad's blog, where they publish information and features about Tinkercad. The next option along is the Learn tab. Here we have 3 sections: starters, lessons, and projects. These are all dedicated towards improving your design skills. With starters, these are the how-to guide of Tinkercad. The most important, learn how to resize objects, view, duplicate, align, and so many other key skills that you will need when using Tinkercad. I recommend starting here. Under lessons, here you have step-by-step guides which help you through the construction process. The lessons cover combining different skills into a cohesive design. And finally, under projects, here you have a follow along, a step-by-step guide, and then you add your own unique designs. It's very open-ended. Moving along, the next option is Teach. And here you can access lesson plans using resources connected to Tinkercad. And you can send the lessons directly to your students within the Tinkercad dashboard. One great benefit is there's many different topics. You also have a search option, and then moving across to the top right hand corner is your profile icon. Here you can view your profile, launch straight into a new design, get any notifications, adjust your profile, and of course log out. To get back to the main Tinkercad dashboard at any time, just go over to the left hand side and click on the Tinkercad icon. Now that I'm back on my main dashboard, I can see any of my designs, and on the left hand side I can actually select what I want to design using. Do I want to use 3-dimensional objects, electrical circuits, code blocks, activate a lesson, or even here where I click your classes, I can join a class and put in my unique class code that is provided to me by my teacher. Teachers, you will notice that you have an extra option in the ribbon. I'll go through this in a separate video. I hope this has helped you get familiar with the Tinkercad dashboard.
This video is part of a series of support videos all about the kit that you have borrowed. To find the other videos in this series, head to the Learning Library and visit the kit page for the equipment you've borrowed. You can also find the full list of support videos for all of our kit on the YouTube channel. You can also join us in the Yammer community. If you have any questions or you'd like to ask teachers how they've used the equipment in their classroom, then why not join us on the STEM T4L Facebook community? It's a closed group. You can ask teachers how they've used the equipment and also share the work samples that your students have created.